permanent health insurance, is that what used to be called whole life coverage? Is that the same or is that still different?
Yeah. So a permanent, there's really two types. There's whole life coverage, which is the traditional one, and then there's also universal life, or it's really the most popular one now is index universal life. They both serve the purpose of permanent coverage, meaning coverage that should last your lifetime if it's properly funded and so forth.
Now, does the price on that change? So I know like a term life, so you only take it out for like 20 years or 25 years based on your age and all that kind of stuff.
hmm
That pretty much the policy payment or the monthly payment is going to be consistent throughout that insurance policy. Is that right?
Correct. So the good thing about a permanent plan is that you lock in the rate at whatever age you bought it, right? So if you bought it in your 30s or your 40s, when you're in your 60s, you're still paying that same rate as if you
Oh,
were 30 or 40-year old, right?
okay.
And there's also ways that you can set it up where you only pay for 20 years or 30 years and then you keep the policy. Um, Obviously, the monthly premium there might be a little bit more, but if you're somebody that doesn't want to be in your 80s still paying insurance, right? There's ways to set that up. And so that's one of the good things about permanent policies that you lock in the you lock in your monthly premium or your annual premium, however you want to pay, at that younger age, right? A
Yeah.
term is also good. It's not that it's a bad product. Some people talk bad about both products, right? It's just because they might not have the knowledge, right? Or an ulterior motive why they're talking bad about a product, right? Um, but a term policy is good for like homeowners that, your house is like your biggest asset. So a lot of times people will buy like a term insurance to cover the mortgage if something were to happen to them, right? And it's an affordable way of getting large amounts of life insurance
Mhm.
for an affordable price.